This is Tom. Tom was studying late at night, and suddenly he heard someone call his name. He looked around. No one was there. Was he imagining it? Not exactly. Your brain does not just hear sounds, it predicts them. Tom's auditory cortex was constantly scanning for patterns. When there was a faint background noise, his brain tried to interpret it. And because he was used to hearing his name, his brain filled in the gap. This is called predictive processing. Your brain guesses what it expects to hear, sometimes even before the sound fully exists. Why does it happen? It might happen when you're tired, distracted, or in a quiet environment, like Tom was. But why your name? Because your name is deeply wired into your brain. It activates attention networks and emotional centers like amygdala. So your brain is not malfunctioning. It is a prediction machine which sometimes predicts things that are not fully there. For more such videos, subscribe to BioFight.